the VCA. So you select your source, select a time frame that you're looking to search for. VCA object is the only thing we can do right now because we don't have event or counter set up, but it classifies car, person, truck. It'll also search for dog, cat, airplane, boat. You specify what you want. But what I have currently set up is it's detecting anything that goes in this image. I have it making a bookmark and sending an alert when anything is in this area that classifies. And another follow-up email I've got to make is this a learning AI? Because one problem that we're having is it keeps thinking that this fuel tank is a person. So I don't know if it'll eventually correct itself or if I need to modify my zone for emailing. Pretty neat. Like it's catching vehicles as they're going by. So it didn't recognize anything until this one. But possibly because of this going on, because right there's a person walking down the road that it missed. Pretty high or at high-end graphics card in the camera server, and all the analytics will be handled by the graphics card. We'll see in here. So you're on devices, fuel tank, because that's the device I want to put it on. I'm in the wrong thing. Go to channels, fuel tank, and then you've got video analytics. So this is new, I think. We're enabling server-side VA, object detector. If we do anything higher than 300 by 300, it starts using a graphics card.
Okay.
They recommended using a low resolution stream if available. So that is something that we could try doing as well.
To reduce the processing power.
Well, I don't know if it would reduce processing power, but it would use a higher resolution image. Whether it's needed or not, I don't know. But in this classes, you can pick what it's looking for. I just picked whatever I thought might show up on the configuring zones and rules. This is where you specify the alerting zone.
Fuel tanks.
Person and fuel tank.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Yep. So that will just count how many have been in. I guess that's one way to do that. So I can do that. Do anything.
Hit the show all again. Yeah, there you go. Data overlay.
Yesterday when I set it up, I clicked on the polygon and it showed up. Oh, you can change how far the object has to be in. Anyways, so then from there, there's a whole bunch of different settings. I just don't know what they all are. Detection interval. I know if you decrease that, they said it'll really start utilizing a lot of resources. We've got events and actions, and these are the ones that I made up. So sending a text message to my phone. This one is creating the email, because when you send an email, you can send a snapshot, where this is when you send it to a phone text message, you can't include a snapshot. They recommended making the bookmark.
I think it's like the third.
when I go on live, it does.
Okay.
See, now she's maxed. She's up there pretty high. Oops. We should have gotten an alert when the truck. Oh, the truck left in the dark. I betcha. There, I can see the mirror. Might even be worth sending them a message ahead of time, even. It appears it's not doing any analytics at night, and I can't imagine that this is messing it up. I mean, maybe it is. Cobweb is my guess, because it moves.
Okay. Doesn't reflect the light.
They become translucent, and now with the IR on, now you can see it. Yeah, I'll send an email, ask them questions on how to improve that at night, and if we can make it like tell an object that's being noticed, nope, this is not a person, to help it learn. And then I'll send them screenshots if need be.